Hey guys, welcome back to this video. This video is going to be a small series on how to make a game like Among Us, like with crewmates and imposters. You know, all the drill. If you don't play Among Us, go play it. It's pretty fun. So we want to actually already start off. We're gonna start off with the camera vision, because in Among Us you have like some kind of a certain vision, like from the top, like how do you say that, like top down, if that's even a word. I think it is. So I want to make a local script, a starter player script, starter player, and then this one, and then this. I'm just gonna name it player vision, just so I know what I'm doing. And I like to have everything organized. I know some people, they put like 5 million models in here, and that just can make me mad. Anyways, you have this. Delete that, and is it zoomed in enough? Yeah, it's good. Okay, so what we want to type is local player, is game.player is local player, and then repeat wait until game.workspace find first child player.name. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can actually see. Local camera is equals to the game.workspace.current camera, because in workspace you have a camera and there's like a current camera where, oh, anyways, you get the thing. Local offset, offset is equals to vector3 dot new minus 40 comma 50 comma 0. Local FOV, field of view, is equals to 40, so we're just gonna start off with 40. Local run service is equals to game get service run service. Yep. Oh, wrong one. Run service. This one. So if you want main variables, I know I spelled that wrong. And this is the wait for a player. Oh, yep. Just like that. Camera dot field of view is equals to FOV. So the FOV is like 40, so we're just gonna get the camera field of view to 40. Camera dot camera type is enum dot camera type, so it's like a Roblox thingy, and we're gonna make it scriptable so we get scripted. Camera dot camera subject will be the player in the character, and we're gonna do it in the humanoid. Yes. Local function render step, like this. Enter. Local player pause. Local player pause is equals to player dot character dot humanoid root part dot position. Local camera pause is equals to player dot character dot humanoid root part dot position plus the offset of minus 40, 50, and 0. And voice correct, yay. Anyways, camera dot coordinate frame is equals to cframe dot new camera pause comma player pause run service. I wanted to say render service, but no. Colon bind to render step camera comma enum dot render priority dot camera dot value, and we're gonna get that render step function. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit. So this is the entire script. If you can read it, I hope you do. Wait, what about this? Yep. Like, how do you say that? Like, usable? Anyways, if we go to our play game, you will be able to see that we are like our camera will be like Among Us. Yep, as you can see, this is our camera. We can't move at all. We cannot zoom in. No errors. And where is our end base plate? If we go into the current camera, yep, camera type, scriptable camera subject, humanoid. Oh, and there we go. And what if we die? Woohoo! Yada yada yoo-hoo. Anyways, so that is our first sort of script done. Yes, that's one script done. So now you want to make a script in here. Well, make a folder among us system, and also get it in here. Boom. Get a script and you name it main system, and get a module script. We can name it main functional. Well, main functional handler. Anyways, what we can do now is we have to type something annoying. Go into your main system and type game.players.player added :connect function player. Local ls, not one s but ls. I'll do it like that. Is player. Instance.no folder. ls.name is leader stats. Local is imposter is equals to instance.no bool value. So we're gonna set it to true or false. Is imposter dot value. No, we're not gonna set any value. The parent is equals to ls, and is imposter dot name is equals to is imposter. Okay, well that's something already. You have this local module thingy. Just don't do anything with it. Oh, there. Function. Sorry. Function module dot random imposter. Local imposter is equals to game.players colon get children. No, not get children. Get players. Sorry, my fault. Get players. Yep. Remove those two. Math.random. One out of the players. Of course. No, come on. Boom. So we're just gonna get like a random player out of the player value. If you want, get a sword. There's going to be our well, you can get a knife, but Roblox made it very glitchy. Yep, get this one, sword by Roblox, and 10k upvotes. Click no, and imposter knife, and drag it. Well, make a new folder among us system. Delete this and make another folder. Imposter imposter weapons, and drag it in there. So now that you have that done, you want to get that knife out of a variable. So local imposter knife is equals to game dot replicated storage dot among us system dot, how do we call it, imposter weapons dot imposter knife. So that is already one done. Not yet. Imposter knife, I'll just do it like this so we get more lines. You're gonna clone it. The parent is into the imposter's backpack. What you can do, what you want to do is go into your game system. Local module, no. Local main functional handler is equals to script wait for child main function handler. You can just press enter. Function new round among us. Well, no. New. Just new round. We're gonna wait like 5 seconds because we don't want to wait like 5 million hours. Main function handler dot random. How do we call it? This one. Random imposter. Boom, boop. So now that you've done that, you want to make like a mini lobby. Like, don't make it like too big. Make another folder. Among Us system. Get a folder and get it like spawn location. And get a part. TP part. Well, teleport spawn. Make it like normal size. Whoop. I'm gonna make it white because, well, the floor on Among Us is, I believe, gray. Yep. And I believe it's like diamond plate, I believe. Well, anyways, that doesn't matter at all. You want to make a new function module dot we're gonna make a module now, so the players when the round starts, we're gonna get teleported and we're gonna get the knife from the random imposter. We're just gonna get the imposter out of a random player. So what I'm gonna do, local function function module dot new round TP. So, like, we're gonna get that new round and we're just gonna teleport the players. For I, char in pairs game players get players do local character is equals to char dot character, of course, and we're just gonna get that character dot humanoid root part dot c frame is equals to game dot workspace dot among us system dot spawn location dot teleport spawn location dot c frame. And now once you did that, let's do this. So now what you can do is wait another 5 seconds, and then you want to go into replicated storage again, Among Us system, and you want to do GUI remote event. Delete that and put it a remote event in and name it TF imposter. And what it means is like true or false imposter. We're gonna fire that event, and the player will see if they're the imposter or not. It should be cool. Module function handler dot new round play TP. Is it like that? Yep. Boop boop. And what you want to do is over here. Oh, we're gonna wait 3 seconds for that. Well, my PC doesn't load in correctly. 10, and then we're just gonna fire that. So what we can do now, instead of this, make this a 2. Get another 5 seconds. Main function handler. We're just gonna get the random imposter, and then they're gonna get the no. Around what did you do? Okay, so it's like get imposter TP all players. What we can do now in like that over here, you can type get over here, local tf imposter is equals to game dot replicated storage dot among us system dot gr remote event dot tf imposter. TF imposter colon fire client. Because fire client, we're just gonna get that only player will become an imposter, and if you do fire all clients, everybody will know if you're an imposter or not. So that's not what you want. Fire client and then just keep it empty. Well, get it through the player. That's not even a thing. No, just keep it like that. We're gonna make that 5 seconds, and then we're just gonna TP all the players. So what I want to do now is going to start a GUI folder among us system. Is there a like a crew, well, imposter pick? Like, is there anything of an imposter which is cool? Let's do this one. Sorry for those picks. Copy that. Yep. Get a screen GUI. TF well, imposter chooser. Just get a frame. I'm gonna make it black. 100. No, 0,0,0. And 100. So it fits the entire screen. 0.5, 0, 0.5, 0. And then it's in the middle. But anchor point 0.5, 0.5. The size is going to be 1, 0, 1, 0. Enter. Boom. And now your entire screen should be black. You can choose whatever color you want. You could just go from this to this. Whatever you want. Okay, sorry. You get my point. You can just do main frame and get an image label. Yes. 0.5, 0.5. 0.2, 0.5. And it's just supposed to be the other way around. I always get confused by that. And just paste that URL in. Boop. And now this is your little character or something. I see this is not pretty handy. Well, you get the point. Imposter. Well, how do you call those? Okay, crewmate picture. Now get a text label. Zero 0.5, 0.5. 0.5, 0, 0.6, well, 55, 0. So it's over there, and just get it like 350 by 75. Whoa, new fonts. Wait, no way. Did we just get new fonts? Wow. Okay, that is cool. But we're gonna use the Gotham Black because it's one of my favorite and it is super handy. Anyways, the scripted label, you wanna go to your main function handler and over here, imposter, imposter dot how did we call that? We called an is imposter. Is, well, did we do it in a leader stats? Okay, that was not what I meant. Get a player and remove these lines. Sorry for that, apologies. What we can do is like over here, imposter dot is imposter and value is equal to true. Got a local script in here, and what you can do is while true do if game.player.local player dot is imposter dot value is equals to true, then script.parent.mainframe dot scripted label dot text is equals to you are an imposter. Else script.parent.mainframe.scripted_label.text is equals to you are not an imposter. Control A, Control C. Boop. You can just get it back by Control C. Don't worry. What you want to do is game.replicated storage dot, how do we call that? Either among us system dot GUI remote event dot TF imposter dot on client event connect to the function of nothing. What I can do now is script.parent.mainframe.visible is equals true, and then if game.players dot local player dot is imposter dot value is equals to true, then script.parent.mainframe.scripted_label.text is equals to you are an imposter. Else script.parent.mainframe.scripted_label.text is equals to you are not an imposter. And then you can do wait 5 script.parent.mainframe.visible is equals to false. This should be it. I'm gonna end the recording and test this out in a 2-player thing. So see you around. Before we test, make sure to put your frame visible off. Okay, thank you. Okay, so like I joined the game in a 1-player game first, and I see an error. Random imposter is not a valid member of module script service among us main system module function handler. Line 13 and 12. 13 and 22, sorry. So let's see. 22 and over here random imposter. Make this a require script wait for child main. It should be like this. Anyways, let's see. Boop. Oh, 5. Is imposter is not a valid member of player. Main function line 6. Line 13 and 22. Okay, line 6. Oh, I have an idea. Yeah, I have a very good idea. Instead of this, we're gonna actually do it again. Local ls is equals to instance.new folder ls.name is equals to layer stats. Because what you can do with Roblox, you can hide the leaderboard. So you can just hide the players. So you can just be an imposter. Oh, come on, please tell me this works. I spent ages. Lel. Anyways. Five. Yeti yeti yo. Later stats is not a family member of player. What do you mean? Okay. Players. Oh. Oh, I see. Oh. Oh my. ls.parent is equal to player. I never put a parent to the player, so of course it's not going to work. Okay, well, sorry, apologies. Yeti yeti. Well, anyways, let's see if this works now. I should have been fixing all errors. Yep, its imposter is 0. Are you kidding? Of course. Oh. Oh, are you serious right now? I knew that spelling error was gonna come. It's imposter. Oh, that imposter is such an annoying. Anyways, is imposter, la 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 la. Well, whenever you join the game, okay, let's see. Backpacks out of a member of player. Line 7. Backpack with a uncapitalized P. As you see, we just got a sword. Line 20. Well, anyways, you see, we have a sword. Woohoo! 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 Anyways, argument 1 missing or nil. Stack begin. Line 20. It must be a player object. I'm not sure if it's possible. That's why I'm trying it out. Okay, well, anyways, it does work. We get the GUI. Just ran into another is imposter, is not a valid member of player. Yeti. Line 3. Because it's supposed to be the leader stats. Call this one the imposter handler, and now it should be able to work. I will be happy. Boop. Okay, get a sword, and then boom, you are on imposter, and then after 5 seconds, it's gonna go away like yeti, and we get teleported. Let's go. We made it. So what you should do is, instead of this way 2, just do boop, boop. And let's test it one more time, because it works. Oh god, I'm happy. Anyways, you get the point. You're an imposter. We get a sword, and then after 5 seconds, we get teleported. And we have a sword, and we're an imposter. So this is the first part of the tutorial of how to make a game like Among Us. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash that like button and subscribe. Is that a word? Yep. Okay, well, anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye!